Unlock the power of artificial intelligence by building your very own AI model, and today, we're doing it with the surprisingly capable Nano Banana. First, let's talk data. The lifeblood of any AI. We need to prepare our dataset meticulously. This involves gathering all the relevant information, whether it's images, text, or numerical data. Think of it like sorting and cleaning your ingredients before cooking a gourmet meal. We'll need to organize this data, ensuring it's in a format that our Nano Banana can understand. This often means cleaning up any missing values, correcting errors, and transforming the data into a consistent structure. The cleaner and more organized your data, the better your AI will learn. Next up is the exciting part, training the model. This is where our Nano Banana gets to learn from the data we've prepared. We'll select an appropriate machine learning technique, perhaps a classification model if we're trying to categorize things, or a regression model to predict numerical values. We feed the prepared data into the Nano Banana, and it starts to adjust its internal parameters, learning patterns and relationships. This is an iterative process. We'll train the model, evaluate its performance, and then fine-tune it to improve its accuracy and efficiency. Patience is key here, as a well-trained model is the foundation of a successful AI application. Once our Nano Banana is trained and performing admirably, it's time for deployment. This means integrating our AI model into a real-world application. Imagine a smart camera on your door that instantly recognizes who's there, or an intelligent assistant that understands your commands. Deployment can involve embedding the model directly onto a device, or making it accessible through an API for other systems to use. The goal is to make our AI model work seamlessly in its intended environment, delivering intelligent insights or automating tasks across various industries, from healthcare to finance to entertainment. The applications are truly vast. Think about personalized recommendations on streaming services, fraud detection in financial transactions, or even helping doctors diagnose diseases more effectively. By understanding these core steps, data preparation, model training, and deployment, you're well on your way to developing powerful AI solutions with your Nano Banana, pushing the boundaries of what's digitally possible.